Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Cloud with Vivek. So guys, today we are going to continue our DevOps English series. So today is day 2. So today we will discuss guys about power off and reboot command in Linux. So first of all we will discuss that what is requirement of our system reboot or power off. So I will discuss about what reboot and power off. So let's discuss that why we need to reboot or power off our system in production environment. Guys, many time our server we are installing any software or package, right? Suppose that this is our server. So guys, in this server you have installed httpd, that is the web server or nginx web server. Now you are starting service of this server. What you are doing guys, you are starting service of this server, but when you are starting service of this server your service is not working properly. So in such type of scenario we need to restart or shut down our system, and after that we need to restart our system. Okay, so for such type we need to reboot our system or shut down and then restart our system again. So guys, what is the command to restart our system or reboot our system? So first of all, I will discuss that how you can do shut down your Linux server. So guys, here are some commands which is the useful for shutdown. So guys, first one command is systemctl power off. What is sir? We have to use systemctl power off. After that, second command is also power off. Only if you write power off command, so your system will be shut down. After that, if you want to use init space 0, then it can also work. After that, sir, you can use shutdown. Okay, what you can do, shutdown hyphen h now. So shutdown hyphen h now. So guys, this will also reboot your system, sorry, shut down also your system. After that, if you want to shut down your system after 2 minutes or 5 minutes, so you can use shutdown hyphen h plus 2. That means it will shut down your system after 2 minutes. If you will write plus 5, so it will shut down your system after 5 minutes. So guys, these are the command which is useful for shut down our system. Second one guys, if you want to reboot your system, what if you want to reboot your system? So here are the some command. First one is the systemctl. What is that? First one is systemctl and reboot command. Second one is only reboot. What is that? Second one only reboot. Third one you can use init space 6. After that, if you want to use here shutdown hyphen h now, sorry, hyphen r now. So in the case of shutdown, you need to use shutdown hyphen h. In the case of reboot, you need to shutdown hyphen r. After that, next command is here shutdown, okay, hyphen r, and after that timing like you write, so it will shut down your, sorry, reboot your system in 5 minutes. As well as if you want to reboot your system with message, so you can do also that shutdown hyphen r plus 6, that means 6 minutes, and you can give message server will reboot after 6 minutes. So guys, when your system will reboot, it will show message. So guys, these are the command which can be used for power off or reboot your system. So guys, I have connected here my terminal, so you can see that I can use this terminal for practice. So guys, once I will write here command, any command, like I am going to do power off and enter. What it did, it disconnected my server. Why? Because I have connected with sss remote connection, right? So it will reboot, sorry, not reboot. Why? Because we need to do it manually. So let's, once again I will start terminal, it will open. Okay, so wait. So just a minute, I will open again. So once again I will start, wait 5 minutes. So you can see guys, I have connected, right? So all command which is I written in this ms paint, you can use this command for your system reboot or shutdown. After that guys, like suppose you have used many commands, but like pwd ls, okay, I will discuss later about this command pwd ls lsblk. So your terminal getting full, so you want to clear your terminal clean. So what you will do, so guys the command is clear, or you can use control l shortcut. So I hope you guys this video will be helpful for you. So we will meet on next video guys. Next video will be our in linux fsh, file system hierarchy, okay. So we will discuss that what is the file system hierarchy in linux and why it is important for linux admin or devops engineer. After that we will start our touch command, ls command, cd command. So step by step we will move on every video. So guys, if you really like my videos, so like, share, subscribe. We will meet on next video. Thank you, all the best.